My arm looks peludo. Hi everyone, the word of the day is peludo. Peludo. This means hairy or furry. Peludo is masculine and peluda is feminine. The plural form is peludos or peludas. Now let's see a few examples. Mis brazos son peludos. Mis brazos son peludos. Ese perro peludo es lindo. Ese perro peludo es lindo. Tu abrigo está todo peludo. Tu abrigo está todo peludo. Me gustan las cobijas peludas. Me gustan las cobijas peludas. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!